Recipe Creator allows you to create recipes for any website. And with just hover and shift, you'll be able to extract data in seconds. And once you've made your selections, take a peek at the output sample to double check your work. When all the columns are complete, just save your recipe. Now you can access your recipe in Dataminr and click to run it. There are many types of sites out there that Recipe Creator is designed to handle. It can do next page navigation, URL extraction, and button clicks. You can watch our tutorial videos to learn how to perform these more advanced functions. Recipe creation works by first selecting containers which separate your data and translate into your CSV rows, and then you select your columns, which is your data. So now that you've seen a little of what Recipe Creator can do, let's get scraping.